I had it in Rome. I seriously had it for, you know, breakfast, lunch, dinner, 5 days in a row. Okay. What's going on, guys? It's time to do a little cooking. Okay, I'm not a professional, so don't expect something crazy, but we're gonna put on effort. So today we're making spaghetti al carbonara. Once again, we're gonna give it our best shot, but we're not gonna do the traditional one. Today we're gonna be doing just so you know, Americanized or westernized one. First thing we need is bacon, okay? Some good bacon. Looks all right. Of course, my wife likes you know, pepper. We got heavy cream. We got a little Himalayan pink salt, which is good as well. We got cream Parmesan. We got garlic.
We got Pendles.
Yeah, that's black pepper. We got spaghetti. Okay, guys, and we have guanciale, but we're not gonna be making with guanciale because this one already has. Because we're gonna be making with cream. So normally when you do traditional, you only use guanciale. So this time we will not be using it. We're gonna be using bacon. Okay. First up, we're gonna go ahead and just cut up this bacon. I'll take the spaghetti. Okay, guys.
And we got this one. That's skin. And this is black bear.
Okay. So now we have our spaghetti.
And we got cream.
Parmesan cheese.
Good.
And we got cream.
How much?
Okay. So we got our.
Twist, right?
Yep. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna twist it and we're just gonna drop it in, okay? Ow. Just like that. Okay? Now, we're gonna need...
Like that one?
So the reason you spread it like that is because you don't want the spaghetti to stick. Okay, so we're just gonna do like that. I think that should be enough. Sometimes she eats quite a bit, so we're gonna add just a little more extra. I think that should be good enough. Okay, guys.
Gonna put a little salt in it.
Okay. Yeah, of course, gonna put salt. Okay, I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt. So that's looking good. Give it a little extra flavor. So we're gonna add some salt just to give it that little extra flavor. Just have it too. Okay. So guys, another thing that you want to do, you want to start the salted butter, which is, you know, good, because we already put salt on the noodles, and then we're just gonna get this cooking nice. Okay. So
you're not gonna use the olive oil?
This time we're not. Normally we use olive oil, but I want to try it with butter this time. So carbonara is definitely one of my favorite foods. I had it in Rome. I seriously had it for, you know, breakfast, lunch, dinner, 5 days in a row. Okay. So guys, another thing that we're gonna do here, we're gonna go ahead and throw this into the pan. Okay, guys, follow me. Go ahead and just throw it in there. Also, guys, I forgot to mention one thing that I want to add into the. Okay, guys, so we got our parsley in there. Okay, guys. Oh, one thing I also wanted to add on here is a little bit of pepper. We have our pepper. Gonna just put some here.
How much?
Maybe less. A little bit much. Yeah. So what we're gonna do here, we're just crushing this pepper Sometimes people just, hit it with a little bowl, to crush it, but sometimes I just like to have fun with it. Okay, just like that. You guys ready? Let's throw it in there. That just looks amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and just mix it in there once again. Okay, so what time is it? Because so normally what you want to do, you want to have the spaghetti only for 8 minutes. So we got about 3-4 minutes left, and then we can go ahead and start throwing, the rest of the spaghetti into the whole mix. Okay, guys. So what we want to do here, we're gonna take this. This is heavy cream. You can do
Trader Joe's?
from Trader Joe's. Okay, guys, you can see the heavy cream, and what I want to do here, I want to put.
Not a lot, huh? It's almost half of that bottle.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll just put about that. So not too dark. Okay, guys, so now what we're gonna do, it looks like our bacon and everything else that we put in there is pretty
No
much
eggs, right?
egg we'll do after. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour it in there. Look at that. Look at that. That just looks delicious. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for this to really thicken out, and then what we're gonna do after is we're gonna go ahead and throw it up. Just like that. You guys can see how we're just mixing it nice and yeah, we want all the flavors to really nicely mix in there with that heavy cream before we go ahead and throw the noodles in there, or the spaghetti, excuse me. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to make sure everything is just all the flavors are mixing pretty nice and well before we throw the spaghetti in there. Okay, so it's going to be very delicious, trust me. Okay, once again, you guys can put whatever sauce you want, but we like to use heavy cream. But if you're doing traditional, you just need the guanciale, and then you just throw it in there, and you don't need to use bacon because the guanciale is gonna give it that cream. Okay, so you guys see how it's starting to thicken up a little bit. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna reduce the heat a little bit. Is it still recording?
Yes.
Okay, so for some of you guys who are watching that like hot chili, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the hot chili, where did I see it? Right here. Yahoo. Hope you guys are awake. That's a wake up for everybody to wake up. Okay guys, we have one chili here. Okay, boom, 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 boom. It's a lot of chili actually, so my wife likes it super hot, but for me I just like it kind of mild. As you can see, it's kind of thickened out a little bit. All right, now guys, everything is looking good. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna throw a little something else. We're gonna throw some Parmesan. It's gonna be delicious. We're gonna throw some Parmesan in here.
It has to be Parmesan cheese.
It can be Parmesan, it can be, I prefer Parmesan. So we're just gonna put some Parmesan in there. Okay guys, we just put a little too much in there, so. Unless you're a Parmesan lover, you don't need to put that much, okay? So you guys can see, oh man, it just looks so delicious. We're just gonna mix it all in there. You guys can see how it's really nicely thickened. Look at that. Wow, that just looks delicious. Okay. So now, are you guys ready? What we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and throw the spaghetti in here, and we're gonna go ahead and mix it all around. And notice how we turned the fire all the way down low? So we're just gonna go ahead and throw the spaghetti in there. We're just gonna mix it.
So it's okay to have a little water in it?
On this one, no, this one's fine. I mean, you can just add a little bit. Now guys, we're ready to mix everything, mix all the goodness together, okay? As you guys can see. I wish you guys can enjoy this with us, but you know, you guys can make your own, okay? Yeah. You don't always have to do this, but we're gonna give it a little egg. Look at that. It's gonna help it with that cream. Look at that. It's ready to serve. Let's go ahead and have this yummy food. Look how beautiful that just looks. Look at that as it's pouring down. You just want to put it in your mouth already. Look. Look at that. It's ready. It's perfect. Huh? Bon appetit. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Definitely put, in the comment section how you would do different, how you make your spaghetti al carbonara. Hit that like button, guys. See you guys on the next one.